Alliance.
When did you have time to do this? I would want to urge the principals, who are very few of them, who still have some children at home, to immediately bring them back, because we are breaking again on the 6th of next month for elections, and we shall not open until 15th. So it is very, very unfair to keep any child at home. If you want to engage the parents during the time that the children will be at home. Should there be a repeat election during my tenure, which I hope not, then we shall make sure that it may then have to mean that we may have to sit down as stakeholders and see whether it will be fair to examine the children if they will have lost a considerable amount of time. And I really pray that